had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote upon me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
Community wear, community wear. I bought this sweatpants at factory 2 days ago. Oh, why new? I could have been part of the wide waist community, but there it is, the waist, it's there. Guning, guys, guning. I'm trying to my mind, like guning. So firstly, it's now past 11. I'm supposed to be shooting a video right now in this instance because the time is perfect for lighting in that spot. A video for YouTube and one for Instagram. Maybe I should just shoot it because I've already done my makeup. And I was not meant to shoot it today. I was meant to shoot it tomorrow, anytime during the week, because today is a Sunday. That dog, guys, every time I'm outside and I'm shooting a video, this dog barks. It's not even from within this complex, it's from the other side of the road, and it's so loud. And when I'm sitting here doing anything but recording a video, it does not bark. Anyways, I received an order from Takealot yesterday. I'll show you guys just now. It's my text box and it's a lot. Let me just show you. But yeah, maybe I will record this video. If not, I have the rest of the week to do it. Yeah, these are the text box from Takealot. This is one module, okay? I'm already using the one at the top, but like, this is financial reporting. School is a scam, because how am I supposed to know all of this? Yeah, let me shoot this video now because the lighting is perfect. If it doesn't come out well, honestly, it's fine. I'll record it during the week, because what if I don't record it now? Now I've wasted applying makeup because I don't apply makeup for another reason, and then I record it during the week and then it doesn't come out nicely. Whew, yeah. I am something else. So I have decided that I'm not going to record the YouTube video now and the Instagram reel while I was dressed, but my watch is even matching. Now what I'm going to do is go to the mall as planned. I don't know how many malls I can go to today. I could try 2 malls. Fine enough. I want to go to Zara, but I have to go see Sino on sometime this week. I'll just speak to her and then see the date. Maybe Wednesday. Then from her, I'll go to Santon City and I'll go to Zara. Yeah, I'm not going to Mall of Africa. I'm sorry. I always think Mall of Africa is far and I just don't want to go to Mall of Africa. No, that mall is just too busy for me. I can't do it. So now I'll unbox this table from Takealot and see how big it is. God damn it, I pray it's not that big.
I ain't trying to bother. You're moving me in all the right away, waiting for the signal. I wanna go down, down and watch it fall down, down, down. You give me the green light, speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the prize, yeah.
And these are the extra things for the legs. Ooh, I think it's perfect because it's for studying. So let's see if it works. Wait, bring my box. It works though, I think. My book there. Outside. This table works, it's perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel from a girl who's excited. I'm excited. Firstly, having a matte lipstick is... I'm just used to having lip gloss. Secondly, I've been dancing forever because I finally shot my YouTube video. Yay! Now I just have to edit it tonight. Yay! But I also have to go and study now. I have to take a shower, remove all of this makeup. Oh god. And study because I have to pass. I'm so excited and I look so stunning. God. Either way, I'm using the Canon app to take pictures. It works like it does. You just download the app, then connect it to your camera via Wi-Fi. There's a Wi-Fi button on the side of the Canon camera. Then you switch on your Wi-Fi, you connect to the camera, you open the app. It allows you to view whatever images or videos are on the device and also be able to take pictures. So you're using this like as a remote. I love it because if you're at events and you take a role and you want to use it quickly, you will be able to download it and edit and post it immediately. So yeah. Why is my camera so bright? But anyways, this is me with my bonnet on. I don't know why my camera is bright. I think it's the light there at the top, but yeah, let's go. This is me with my bonnet on. I'm gonna remove these earrings because it's too much. No, I don't like too much. I like simple.
Speeding like there ain't no stop sign. My eyes set on the
That's the combo you did. I love it.
Right?
This definition, I love it.
I learned that from
it's clean. It's
You know, my hair has never been as defined as Ruto's to this day.
See, no, this is actually great. The auto.
Yeah, auto is the best if you don't know what settings to use. Because it does everything automatically.
take you higher than a real rocket. You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want it. Yeah. Your body's out in motion, like a Mona Lisa come to life.
Hi guys, good morning. It's my birthday today. The 30th of July, Queen was born. I was born. My hair looks nice, I think. I can't lay edges though. I think there's one thing that I cannot do is lay edges, and I think I've just came to terms with it. Luckily my friend is gonna come pick me up before we go for my luncheon or birthday, so I'm gonna ask her to do them because at the salon, even though I failed to like not fix them, like right now when I was bathing I removed the gel that was on my hairline, so I failed to like do it the way they had done it. But yeah, I have to quickly, what time is it? I think it's 10 o'clock. I guess the time correctly. It's 10 on the dot. I have to be back at home at 11. So I have 1 hour to go get my watch readjusted. So I want to go to the mall, adjust my watch. I have to wear silver jewelry. I'm not into silver jewelry, you guys, but I don't have a choice because this attire I have, it goes well with silver. My bag has a silver chain. My shoes have a silver glittery strip, so I have to wear silver. So my silver watch has to be adjusted because it's a little bit loose. Get my KFC. What else do I have to get at Clicks? Oh, I have to get a new body wash because the one that I have is finishing. The last 2 hours I have extra toiletries, but they're all finishing. And I don't want to leave the house for the rest of the week because I have to be studying every day. So that's what I'm going to do now. Hi guys. I'm so nervous, guys. Like, I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm this nervous. It's my birthday. I'm supposed to be calm and cool. I've done my makeup. I've done my hair. I'm terrible at laying edges. I have to turn my turtleneck inside that way. makeup until we get to the restaurant. I'm wearing silver jewelry, which I've never done before. I have once, never buy it. Wearing the silver watch that my mom gave me. I got it adjusted at Lovisa. Why am I in this? So the reason that I am wearing silver jewelry is because I'm carrying this bag. It's white. I'm wearing white shoes, and this bag has like the silver chain. My white shoes are from the Fix, and ooh, they have that silver. Don't. The weather's like tricky. Let me just turn this turtleneck inside out. I'm going to wear this coat if it gets cold, but yeah, game man, I tried. Oh, one more thing before I go. I'll try to vlog as much as I can, but where I can't vlog, I'm not gonna vlog because it's really my birthday today and I want to be in the moment. I want to have fun with my friends. I also don't want to give someone my camera to keep vlogging because they should also be having fun with me, you know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm so happy, man. I wanted to put earrings on these piercings here, but this one is fine, so I can't. It's okay.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up?
I think right now, if there's something that I'm still not going to try is lashes. They look nice.
They're not voluminous. I'm not wearing them. It's fine.
You only want to wear them when there's volume.
You can have them.
You always give me lashes. Remember the last time you gave them back to you? Just bring them. It's fine. So I'm the best sexy one day.
It's a photo shoot.
Let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder.
As always. I don't know where I want to sit. You have to sit at the head of the table. Okay, I'll sit that side. You just put your Is it comfortable here? Let's see it. Ooh.
Why are we planning?
Because it's all you're doing. Posture. Your hands must, you must angle. Relax your shoulders. Relax. Wow.
I respect the Lord too much.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm trying to find this too. Come.
Okay, save it a bit.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere. Whenever we're on the phone.
What's your prettiest drink or your nicest drink? I don't know. Because I don't want a whiskey sour. I don't want a mojito. How is your forbidden pomegranate? Nice. Can I have that? Alright, it's fine.
Whenever we're on the phone, always on the go. Like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheater, do you feel better? Now that you've broken my trust, oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just lust? Always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah, I believe it's true. You're off for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough.
I'm having a wrap. You can see there's a little bit of oil dripping. It's from the tomatoes and the peppers that I fried. I hope it tastes good. So I'm quickly going to study. I'm still in my pajamas, so I just woke up, washed my face, brushed my teeth. I study in the morning, and then if I have a session of studying in the morning, like number 9, I don't bath then, because I just start studying, and then like at 12ish, when I break away from my first session of studying, that's when I shower to refresh. I am gonna be sleepy. I will want to sleep, and I can't sleep because already it's hard waking up in the morning. So if I sleep again during the day, it's gonna be harder waking up. Whenever I study and I understand, I'm happy, and I go into that exam room knowing that I know stuff. I always say you can't write what you didn't study for. About financial reporting if you didn't study financial reporting. It's not general knowledge, unfortunately not. But yeah, and I'm actually going to study financial reporting right now because it has more notes. It has more work. Then after financial reporting, which means when I come back in the evening, I'm going to do managerial accounting and finance. And then even tomorrow, the whole day is managerial accounting and finance.
She my substitute. I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you.